Hello, today we are solving May 2025 paper IAL Unit 2 question number 2 part E of the question. On May 4, 2024 the dividend for the half year, okay. So the dividend for the half year ending 31st March 2024 was paid to the redeemable preference shareholders. Prepare the journal entries to show the dividend payments to redeemable preference shares as recorded in the books. Dates and narratives are not required. Okay. So now when you are paying dividends, okay, you are the retained earnings is affected and bank is getting affected. So what are the things that's going to affect the redeemable preference share dividend, okay, payment? So redeemable preference share dividends are being paid for half year, okay. So from where are you going to pay? You are going to pay from the bank, who are going to get that. It is reflected in redeemable preference share dividend, okay, account. One is this one, and in the equity section the retained earnings is going to get affected, okay. Retained earnings is going to get affected, okay. From the retained earnings, okay, also it is going to get affected, and redeemable preference share dividend, okay, account is getting affected. So from the retained earnings, okay, it's an income account, okay, actually. So any increase in retained earnings, I will put it on the credit side, but because I am going to use the retained earnings to pay off, okay, I will have to put the amount on the debit side. So now first let's calculate what is the amount they are paying. So 24.5% of redeemable preference share dividend, okay, will be given. So that is going to be preference share dividend is equal to 5 million. 4.5% of the value is 5 million, okay, worth. So that is going to be equal to 5000 pounds. So that is going to be equal to 225,000 pounds, okay. This is the amount they are for the entire year. This is for the annual, okay, annual dividend. This is for an annual dividend, but here they had said half yearly. So the dividend for half yearly ending 31st March, okay, will be equal to 225,000 divided by 2. So divided by 2, that is equal to 112,500. So this is the amount they are going to pay. So from the retained earnings we are going to pay 112,500, okay, and this is going to be given from the redeemable preference share dividend, okay. Redeemable preference share dividend, from the retained earnings I am going to reduce and transfer it to the redeemable preference share dividend. Then from the redeemable preference share dividend, okay, I will from from this we are going to issue from the bank, okay. Actually the cash is going to be issued from the bank, so I am going to reduce it, credit it, and this one will be debited, okay, automatically, and gets removed from the redeemable preference share dividend issue, okay. So this is the journal entry for the dividend payment to the redeemable